Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp web not working. To start, open your settings application in your mobile device. On settings, scroll down, then look for apps. Once you are now in apps, use the search bar on the upper corner this time and then search for WhatsApp. Select WhatsApp this time. Once you are now here under app info, the next step is to click on force stop on the bottom right, then click OK. Once done, select Storage. On Storage, select Clear Cache. Once done, close your settings application. Right now, open your Google Play Store. Once you are now in Google Play Store, use the search bar. On the search bar, search for WhatsApp. Once you find WhatsApp, select it and then select Update. Update your WhatsApp application, then you should be good to go. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.